Welcome. If you want to join parties on the PlayStation 5, at the first you have to grab your controller and then just press the PlayStation button. After that we have to go below for the game base, so let's click X, and here we got our recent parties, and we can also click below for the view all parties, and as you can see here we can join one of them. Currently we are in this one. You can see it by this blue dot under the date, so let's go for this one, click X, and as you can see here we are in the party. We can send the message, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.